It's a pleasure to welcome you all for this special Iftar gathering. Thank you everyone for joining this event and be a part of this wonderful event. May this evening strengthen our bonds and fill our heart with joy and happiness. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan and a joyful Iftar.
Alhamdulillah, Iftar time has arrived. Let us break our fast together and enjoy this blessed evening. Thank you.
I would like to invite Dr. Mohammed Basula sir to distribute the Ramadan gifts to our Empower family.